I'm gonna try to keep this short and sweet. 3 words: Yeezy Static Reflective. How is everybody doing today? Thank you for tuning in once again to my channel. As always, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I hear it brings you good luck. Also, hit that like button and good karma will come around to you. For those of you who have watched my last video, which was how to style the static Yeezy Boost 350, thank you so much. I uploaded that 5 days ago. I already have over 1,200 views, which is amazing. And in that video, I mentioned that I also got the very limited reflective pair and I was gonna do a comparison video, and here is that video. So the Yeezy Static line consisted of 3 sneakers. It was the Yeezy 350 V2 Static non-reflective. Then we had the 700 V2, the second version of the Yeezy 700 model in the static colorway. And then last but not least, the most limited sneaker in the lineup was the Yeezy 350 V2 Static Reflective. Here is the non-reflective version and here is the reflective version. Now you can't really tell on camera the difference between these two aside from the difference in darkness, but once the flash is on, it's a whole different ball game. I'll be recording in 4K on my iPhone to show you those shots so that way you can see the difference between how these shoes actually get lit. And then there's also going to be a special appearance by the Yeezy 700 V2 Static. Yeah, the 700s, biggest difference between this model and then the original 700s is just the upper. The same midsole and outsole, but the upper has a different pattern. And then here's the shoe with the flash. You see that the laces light up as well as this pattern on the upper. So here we have the reflective version, and then this is the non-reflective version. So right off the bat, you could see prime knit pattern is darker on the non-reflective pair. So here we have the non-reflective pair where only the laces and the stripes in the heel light up, and then bam! Look at this. Enjoyed that quick little comparison video of the Yeezy Static line. Once again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Also hit that like button for me. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.